If your toilet lid keeps falling off, tightening those hinges is the quickest fix you can do yourself without calling a plumber. So here's the deal. First, check if the screws holding the hinges are loose. Sometimes they just wiggle out over time. Grab a screwdriver and tighten them up, but don't crank too hard or you might strip the screws. If you notice any cracks in the plastic hinges, that might mean you need to replace them entirely because tightening won't help. To avoid the lid slipping off again, make sure the hinges line up straight when you tighten them. Also, clean out any gunk or grime around the hinges since that can mess with how well they hold. If your toilet lid has bolts instead of screws, use a wrench or pliers to snug them up gently. And hey, if you're dealing with a super old toilet, sometimes getting new hinges that fit better is worth it to save frustration. Just keep it simple and don't force anything too much. You want it secure, but still easy to open and close. One of the biggest problems people run into with toilet lid hinges is over-tightening screws or bolts, which can crack the plastic and make things worse. The fix? Tighten just enough so it feels firm but not rigid, and if you see damage, swap out the hinges. Another common issue is ignoring rust or buildup around metal parts, causing hinges to seize up or become loose. Regular cleaning with a gentle cleaner can prevent this hassle. Lastly, some folks try to fix a lid that is too small or doesn't fit right by just tightening the hinges, but that won't solve the problem. Getting the right replacement lid or hinge set designed for your toilet model is key. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get things done right. If you're a contractor looking to find solid leads and grow your business, BigHomeProjects.com helps you reach people who actually need your skills.